Hey, to assign ringtone to contact on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to open this app drawer, open your contacts, and now let's pick, for example, one of the following, for example, this one. Now we have to click on the More in the right bottom corner and select Change Ringtone and Vibration. Select the ringtone, accept all of these permissions, and from this you will be moved into the ringtones. So as default, we've got this over the horizon. But if for this specific contact you want to get different song, for example this one, just select this, and also we can set the separate volume level. And then you can just go back. And that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe.